Hi friend, and welcome to my channel. Let's draw 2 Christmas gift packages together. Are you ready? Let's start. Draw a rectangle for the box lid. Draw a rectangle for the box, first a vertical line, a horizontal one, and then another vertical one. Draw 2 vertical lines for the ribbon. Now draw a small triangle on the lid and 2 diagonal lines on the sides. Draw the first part of the bow, first a diagonal line, a semicircle, and then another diagonal line. Draw the thickness of the bow, following the shape you drew. Now draw the second part of the bow. Wow! Our design is taking shape! Draw 2 circles for each eye and 3 small curved lines for the mouth. Now draw a second package of different size. Draw a rectangle for the box lid. Now draw the box, first a vertical line, horizontal line, and another vertical one. Draw 2 vertical lines for the ribbon. Draw a triangle on the top of the lid and 2 diagonal lines on the sides. Draw a triangle for the first part of the bow. And a smaller one inside it. Then draw the second part of the bow. Draw 2 circles for each eye and 3 small curved lines for the mouth. Wow! Our gift packages turned out really well! Good job! Now let's get the colors. Use black for the pupils of the eyes. Color the ribbon and the smaller box with yellow. Use red for the box and lid. Use orange for the ribbon on the second gift bag. And use purple for the second box. Wow! Our gifts are ready to be delivered! Good job! Goodbye friends! See you soon!